So today we're gonna make kimchi fried rice. So we really only need around 8 ingredients, and that's gonna be sesame oil, black pepper, salt, garlic, kimchi, some soy sauce, Chinese sausage, an egg, and any kinds of rice that you want. And you can even use any kinds of soy sauce. So we're gonna start by stir frying the Chinese sausage, and I add a little bit of water in it to steam it, and I've also added the garlic in there. And then I'm gonna add the kimchi, an egg, starting to roll away, soy sauce, and the sesame oil. So I've added the kimchi to the Chinese sausage, which I actually stir fried for around 10 minutes, I think. And it's I'm just kind of stir frying it for the next, I don't know, maybe like 30 seconds. We're also going to turn the heat down because I'm going to add the egg and I don't want that to burn. And we're just going to make a little division there for the egg. So I also like to put the heat more towards the egg at this point, and you can even scramble it before you put it in, but I just kind of like to mix it in on the pan just like this. And so I just cook it until it's fully cooked, and it might take around a minute or so, and then I just kind of mix everything together. And at this point the heat is around medium, not really too high so that the egg won't burn and the kimchi won't dry out. And then I add about a half a cup of brown rice to this, and my brown rice wasn't even warm, it was in the fridge because I figured it's going to be warm on the pan anyways. And I add a little bit of sesame oil, and you can add as much as you want. And then the soy sauce, which is about a spoonful of soy sauce, and that's it. I also added some green onion to garnish it a little bit, but you can also add some optional onion or yellow onion, and then you can add sesame seeds as well if you want, and even some green onion, yeah.